Okay, we speaking part 2. A time when you helped, please.
Good evening, sir. Well, I'm quite helpful. I never miss help others, especially close to me. I would like to, I would like one incident helped friend. Aisha is very my close friend. I remember one day she called me very crying about her mission and don't have money to charges. And at midnight time, I was
All right, 51 seconds. I was helped. Time I helped her with second form of the verb. We don't. It should have been she because past tense. So I agree basic tenses. We call it present indefinite,
Yes.
also simple.
Okay.
Then perfect continuous. These 5 enough to communicate. More ideas. Some further details. 50 seconds.
Okay.
So just 1.5 minute ideas. But your performance is
Thank
good.
you. Thank
Let's go 3. How we help each other?
time.
How do people usually help each
Because-
other in a number of times they help with money, so people give them help. On the other hand, others, if someone needs for the time being, so they help. Okay. Just very simple. You help your neighbors and
Yes.
just talk about that. It's
Thank you.
better than before. Keep it up.